Good day, ma'am. So today I'll be evaluating three images to help students to understand the concepts of signifier, signified, and the relationship between the signs through practical analysis. So image 1, a fast food advertisement. For my first image, I chose a fast food advertisement showing a large juicy burger with bright colors and bold text saying satisfying your cravings. The signifier is the image of the burger itself, the melted cheese, fresh lettuce, and shiny bun. This. It also includes the bold text and bright yellow-green color and a white and a black background. The signified is the idea of deliciousness, satisfaction, and hunger being fulfilled. The ad is not just showing food, it represents enjoyment and indulgence. The connotation includes happiness, reward, convenience, and even social bonding. It may suggest that eating this burger will make you feel good or complete your day. The bright colors also create an urgency encouraging people to buy it immediately. So my second image is an environmental poster showing a picture of the earth being held by human hands with the words, "Save our planet." The signifier is the image of the earth and hands holding it. So this is the signifier. The signified is responsibility and care for the environment. It represents the idea that humans have the power to protect or destroy the planet. The connotation include hope, urgency, and moral responsibility. The hand symbolizes protection and control, suggesting that the future of the earth depends on human action. The message encourages viewers to take environmental issues seriously. My third image is a luxury watch advertisement featuring a well-dressed man in a suit wearing an expensive watch. So, the watch and the suit. The signifier is the watch and the formal clothing and the confident posture of the model. The signified is success, wealth, and status. The advertisement is not just selling a watch, it is selling a lifestyle. The connotations include power, prestige, and achievement. It suggests that owning this watch will make a person appear successful and respected. The gold background and elegant design add to the feeling of sophistication. Through this activity, I realized that images and advertisements are more than just pictures. Every sign contains deeper meanings that influence how we think and feel. The signifier is what we physically see. The signified is what the idea or concept behind it. And the connotations are the additional meanings and emotions connected to it. By analyzing signs, we become more critical thinkers. We learn not to accept messages at face value, especially in advertisement and media. Instead, we ask questions. What is this image really trying to sell us? What emotion is it trying to create? What values is it promoting? In everyday life, being aware of signs help us avoid manipulations and understand messages more clearly. Thank you.